Hello, friends. Happy Dan Travels in Lapa City. I just wanted to leave one thought regarding the immigration issue. If your first act as a migrant is to break immigration laws, what other laws are you willing to break once you're here? I don't think you have a right to be here if you break immigration law as your first act as an migrant. I think you're not trustworthy. I think by day one, you've already proven that you're not worth trusting. And it doesn't matter if you've been here a day or 35 years. If you broke the law on your first day, you don't belong here. It makes me wonder why people don't like talking about Lincoln Riley, because her killer was here illegally. And people say, oh, Dan, no, you shouldn't talk about Lincoln Riley. Why shouldn't I? Why shouldn't you? Why shouldn't you make a bigger deal about it? Just because her family said, oh, we don't want to be political. They don't have to be political, but it doesn't change the truth that an illegal who broke immigration law came here and broke a slew of other laws and then murdered an innocent young lady who was working on her nursing degree. And you know what? She's not the only one. There are hundreds of other examples from 2024 where illegals took lives, whether it be from drunk driving accidents, rape and murder, shootouts, robberies. It doesn't change the fact that these were illegals committing crimes within the United States, and the very first clue that they were untrustworthy was that they broke immigration law. So, I hope that eventually this whole riot situation dies out, because we got bigger fish to fry with Iran, maybe Ukraine and Russia, but holy cow. If your first act is to commit immigration law infractions or violations, you don't belong here. I'm sorry, you don't. All right, friends, I gotta go. I hope you do better. I hope we as a nation do better. I hope we become united. And I hope that we have one vision of what America looks like. It looks diverse, but we have one nation under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all who are here legally. If you were born here, naturalized, or a legal resident, yes, you belong here. If you snuck across the border, you don't belong here. Why is that rocket science for some people? All right, I got to go. I got things to do. I love you. God bless you. We'll talk to you later.